One of my favorite parts of any off-roading trip is testing the limits of yourself, your vehicle, and your preparation. Said preparation can include everything from, was the vehicle built right? And did you pack the vehicle correctly? This latest trip, inertia, which I've been told is a property of matter, came into play when decelerating from 60 to 0 in a little under 40 feet. At which point the drive shaft became a projectile and destroyed my little Debbie cakes. Let this be a lesson to those who believe that unsecured drive shafts can be just as harmless as a box of unsecured snacks. This simple part, when cut out of 1/4-inch plate steel, should be more than sufficient to secure the drive shaft to the frame of the vehicle and away from myself and my snacks. In general, it's best practice to keep heavy, flying objects, also called projectiles, away from yourself in off-road situations. In the process of building my vehicle, specifically in the process of chopping up my perfectly good Lexus, I did neglect the interior. In fact, some might say I didn't touch the interior at all. Hopefully, this project, and projects like it, will go a long way to making my Lexus just as nice on the inside as it was from the factory. Part of that is in securing parts to the outside of the vehicle, so other people have to deal with it, instead of me. Sin-Cut Sin and services like Sin-Cut Sin have done a lot to make a hobby like this much more attainable. Most people can't afford or don't have space for a plasma cutter or a laser cutter. But with Fusion 360 and programs similar to Fusion 360, a DIYer such as myself can custom order one-off parts for their one-off projects. It really is a great service, and it's something that you should consider if you want to do something like this. If the plan isn't obvious by now, I'm going to weld these studs into the plate. I have them partially threaded in to provide a good gap, so I can fill that with weld. They'll become permanently attached to this plate. Then, when I weld this plate onto the frame, it will give me a good place to mount the drive shaft. I'm going to weld these holes with the nuts installed and with it attached to the drive shaft, just to keep everything square. Should make it easy to mount this side. I think I can make it fit. It's really dirty. Probably should have washed it. Ow. Hopefully you guys can see this. I have everything tacked in place now. So it slides onto these studs and pops into the bracket on this side. Then it'll bolt in place. I need to drill holes so the bolts go all the way through. Then I can do some finish welding. Unfortunately, I'm stuck with the Flux-core welder because I don't have 220 out here. But I have an idea for that. We'll have to fix it in the future. Yeah. Tucks up there nice and tight. I hate Flux-core. Flux-core is very dirty compared to normal MIG. Gas shielded MIG is actually very clean. Unfortunately, I don't have 220 out in my driveway, so I thought I could use this Flux-core welder to do this project. Now the welds themselves aren't absolutely terrible. However, the slag, they get on the threads of this bolt, and it broke when I was pulling it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run 2 bolts on this side, and that should be perfectly fine, more than enough to just hold a stationary drive shaft in place. I'll throw some Loctite on there and some lock washers. It'll be fine. I'm going to have to figure out how to get gas MIG out in my driveway, but I'm sure I can figure it out. Until then, I'm just going to finish this up with the Flux-core and paint it, and we're just not going to talk about it. So dirty, but it's welded. It's on there and it'll hold. Let's get it cleaned up and let it cool off, and we'll paint it. Cool. Cherry. There you go. Now my GX has 3 drive shafts. What do you think of this project? Love it? Hate it? Let me know in the comments. I hate to ask, but it really does me a lot of good if you like or subscribe this video. If you dislike it too. It helps out. Or I guess I should say it doesn't help. Either way, let me know.
Have to wash zebra cake off my driveshaft.